CCTV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkraya pi na benda ka NEET.
Menteri Ramba Kejela Konrad Kia Sangma hagalai terik jelio araja apun rio ula penya ya Ïatreilang bishar kam bahakli do bat ke Tnat Pule Puthi ban bishar penya ya kejingla terekam ke Megalaya haga performance grading index bat ban bishar ru ya kejingkela ki babu na benta bat penklan ya rukom terekam ke Tnat Pule Puthi haka jela haka jing batai ke babanya ki officer ke Tnat Pule Puthi kila kedo ya ki nong rem paper ki basenyang syakarukom ai Kyrdan haka performance grading index bat penpau bagi sian jam ki bakongsan kila terekam menta ban penjana ya kejingmi na kejing Pule ban pentulun syakmat ya kejing tei haki school ban penyar ya ke vocational education ban penklan ya ke data management system kejingalang kala bisharu ya ke benta badang ya syakmat ha kejing tei ya ki school kejing persang ban penkha ban penklan ya ki science laboratories ICT smart classroom library kitchen garden rainwater harvesting kejing penbiang bagi jing pendat ya ki core solar haki school hakeleng gejela la itu ya kejing don kam kejing bakli hamal lagi district Menteri Rangba ula Bthah ya deputy commissioner bagi bor Central district bakin Ïatreilang rengkat bagi Tnat Pule Puthi kum commission kebala bat penstat ya kejing penterikam kejing itu kam kloy ya kejing duna bat ban pentikana ban le kam kloy ya ki kam ki bakongsan Menteri Rangba ula banjur ya kejing don kam kejing bishar mamalla kapur kisian jam ki pensyong nongrim na kejing syam bat kejing Ïatreilang ka baklan ha padang ki school ki district bat ka sarkar jelah.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Ïatreilang is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.